In this video, let's look at how to slice lists. Slicing in lists are very similar to tuples. They can be done by using the square brackets operator. So let's say we want to um, extract the elements from Java starting up to the end of this nested list. So the way we can do that is by using a pair of square brackets and then colon, and then before the colon we add a start number, which is basically the index of the element of interest. So in this case Java is indexed at 1, and then this is 10 is 2, this is 3, this is 4. But as I've mentioned during my video in tuples, the ending number has to be the index of the element of interest plus 1, because the end is always exclusive. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we put 5. So now when I print this out, we can see we can get the elements between Java and the nested list. Now another thing that can be done is you can see that this element at position 4 is it's a nested list. So we can also get the elements of a list within a list. So now if you look at this list, 2 is indexed at 0 and 10 is indexed at 1, and these indices are local to this specific nested list. So now if you want to get, let's say, the element number 10 from the nested list, this can be done simply by adding another pair of square brackets. And then here what we do is, we know that this list is positioned at index number 4 within the main list. And now in order to extract element 10, which is indexed at position 2, we add another pair of square brackets, and then we use the index 1, which is the index of the element 10. So now if I print this out, we get 10. So this is how one way of slicing works in lists. Another way is if, let's say, you want to get the element at the end of the list and you don't know what is the number of elements in a list. This can be done by as follows. So you basically again use square brackets, and then you add -1. So remember, the indexing for list from the front starts with 0, but from the end it starts with a -1. And now if I print this, you can see that we get the tuple which is indexed at the at -1 position, or that is the last element of the list. So this is how slicing works in Python lists.